finally on the way to Cancun. After how long of waiting? 40 minutes, I feel like.
40 minutes. She act like it's that long.
A whole 40 minutes later. Well, actually, we're boarding an hour later. So, that's not that dramatic. An hour later. Kill me now. We just landed after being held in the air for about 40 minutes because it was raining here in Cancun like it's going to be doing all day long. So I'll probably just be eating my face and drinking alcohol. We're currently waiting to get off this plane. They've trapped us here in jail. Yeah. Then we have to go through customs and get our bag, and then hopefully we'll be going to the airport. It's been a long day. Fuck. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Checking.
What's up? Checking in. Yes. Welcome to Ripala. Can I see your passport?
Yes.
Oh. Yalisha? Yalisa. Excuse me.
Our hotel room here at the resort is we're staying at 3 Palace Las Americas. It's here in Cancun, and I'm gonna show you what our room looks like. We just got here, just checked in. Don't mind Kevin's on the phone right now, but
there she goes. Stop. She done bought a damn microphone to go with.
so I can have better audio. So here's our room. You have the closet that is right here. You got a safe, typical closet. Diamond board robe, 2 robes, extra pillows, all of that. And then you come in. Hey, you got this double sinks, toilet, typical. This beautiful walk-in shower. We have this beautiful walk-in shower right here.
I need my bag so I change clothes. Can't go to dinner.
Really nice. Has the rainfall little thing. I don't know what it's called, but this one that's really nice. And then we also have, oh, I didn't see this, some soap in here for us. Walk over. And we got our bed.
I can't even lie. I can see through it. I can see through it.
Got Kevin talking to a dog. With this beautiful view.
I can see through the water, baby. Man, yeah.
It's
bro,
really pretty. That's part of the resort down there. We have some people that actually have their tub outside, which is pretty cool. And then we have a sitting area right here. And then we have
I'm scared of it.
Another view of the ocean.
I see the shark, bro.
Super. The drama. But yeah, so now we're about to go get our bags brought out to us, and then we're gonna go eat. After we eat, we're just probably gonna go check out all the amenities they have, see what we have to offer, see what's coming next. Ooh, it's really echoey in here. But yeah, see what's coming next, and I'll get back to you when we are eating. Bye.
Call me.
I forgot to say.
Look,
they gave us a little kitty cat on our bed made of a towel. It is so freaking cute.
Check his ass out.
Yeah.
It I was respectful, bro.
Really want to know who Superman is? Watch this.
He's pretty cool. He's my idol.
I can't have no sympathy for fuck, nigga. All the shit I seen and made my blood, nigga. Still won't let this in the suck.
Okay, let's go, Kevin.
That's like 7 shit.
I'm good.
Why should I take my time?
I'm good.
I should take my time because he's fucked up and can't stand up. Drunk kid tonight, I'm sorry. I'm not dealing with
I'm
you.
not gonna be drunk.
If you're gonna take your money to tip the people to bring you upstairs, because I'm not about to pay for it.
I'm gonna walk upstairs myself. I'm not, bruh. First of all, I'm
Yeah,
fine.
this is you.
That's because there's water on the floor. See? They gotta put a caution sign.
Anyway, going to our hotel room to get this boy together because bless him. Bless him, bless him, bless him. Yeah. Come on, Cass.
I'm fine. I'm taking my precious time.
Can't
So-
even walk. Yeah, there we go. Perfect example of why we're going back to the hotel room. Because he can't even walk. He said, oh, it's so slippery, there's so much water. Actually, this is humidity, but whatever. Yeah, I'm about to walk back up to the hotel. We're all the way on the freaking top floor, which is nice. It's a blessing and a curse at the same time. Yeah. Whew. Get you when I get there.